Politricks watch. This is SH0T. Today I'm going to be talking about the funeral of the late Robert Lee Malcolm, aka Gully Bop, Sir Bop of the Gully. Right. Never know how them both name the Gully Bop of Robert Lee Malcolm. I will talk about it because it look exactly where I expected it to look. Telling already say Iron Man people full of so much vibes, such great entertainers, showmanship. That's what make even funeral look nice. Jamaican make even death look nice. The Jamaican funeral nice, come like you can't wait for dead to get your own funeral. Gully Bop was buried like an emperor. I want to talk about some things because I start to see a pattern. Yeah. Before we go into that, our Patreon birthday shout out. This one is to Dorothy Thomas. It was actually on the 14th Sunday, but you know, lose the voice little, so never dropped no video Sunday. Dorothy Thomas, big up herself. Hope you had a great day, don't know. She living at the land of the woke-activists, Canada. Right. The one there for Winnipeg. Long time supporter. Right. Even have a mug. You know, sometimes say, I not even remember saying I have a mug. Sometimes people send me a picture and say, look at YouTuber, I get the mug. And I say, mug, which mug? And people have to remind me say I have a mug. Right. But Dorothy, big up yourself. Live long and prosper. See? Big up the whole Patreon squad. Talk about the Bop now. Sir Bop of the Gully. Funeral bossy. Bossy bad. You can check out the service on the YouTube channel called The Lumleys Film. And that's Lumley Lumleys Film. Like that, them specializing. You can check out the service in high definition. Look like a 10K camera they use, cause everything look clear. As me I take it in, couldn't help but notice a certain pattern. Iron Man. Telling the Jamaicans full of so much vibes that will make even funeral nice. Can't come like you can't wait for dead to get your own. Man all plan the embarrassment funeral. Man can't wait for dead to get your own bossy funeral. Jamaica one of the few places where people go funeral and when they come back and say, oh, the funeral go then say, oh, the funeral nice man, it's nice you see? Funeral nice. You know it is said that if we celebrate when man dead and ball and baby born. But we know that's not realistic. It's the other way around. Especially when time man dead and when man gone. But in Iron Man, funeral is not just about sending off the dead, it's about extravagant, it's about flair, it's about entertainment. You know, so you have people go funeral for entertainment purposes, you know that? They don't actually care about the dead, you know. You have people go funeral, and will ball and roll in the dirt and then they know who dead, you know. Right, just the excitement, love excitement. Anyway, excitement there, we did it. You see people are rolling and say, who that? Oh, Chag man so bad. I must see his sister. And then you look, you don't even know him, man. But I really want to talk about with Gully Bop. Oh God, they never like me. They can't bad mind scammer like me. They can't fight against artists like me. Oh God, they never like me. Realize say, in our culture, when man alive, man will suffer. Nobody can't find it. Nobody can do this and nobody can do that. Boy man dead. Millions get fined out of nowhere if you put on one of the bossiest funeral you ever see. And this don't apply to Gully Bop, I said it's a Irie thing. We see how Gully Bop did live. Especially in his final days, we see he was going through. Obviously, I say nobody in the world never care about the Bop. I'm not saying that, of course, no people must check for him. I'm sure there were some people there supporting him. But the circles, so I see I go around Bop funeral that wasn't present in his final days. So I wonder, what's the true motive? How people go on? We are show love to the Bop, what I call it. I've seen it many times, Jamaicans fall in a situation. Maybe sickness take them or whatever, and people say, boy, I can't do nothing because I have it. And as the somebody go down in the grave, they see them draw a big round table with me. Alright, so we get the funeral for yes and no. Me say the package will cost from 1.2, or we can get the see-through casket for 1.4. Alright, and then the money does a flow. Me I tell them from now, spend that money there for me one time in your life. Give me my roses when we can smell them. Even a quote-unquote bad man place where supposedly 87 skill because them can't find a slice of bread. When the 87 dead, the same youth who them say couldn't find one egg and one slice of bread, not even two bread. Right? If you make a sandwich out of the egg, just one slice. He couldn't find it. When him dead, him go out like ancient Pharaoh. With a story say he's an Egyptian. Man, I get buried in some things that look like the great pyramids of Giza. Casket, bossy. The clothes they have on, bossy. Buckingham Palace, they ain't got nothing. When the Ironman send off, Jamaica have some of the richest poor people I've ever seen. Jamaica have some of the richest sufferers I've ever seen. Jamaica is a place where the youth who them say can't find a pair of slippers to wear. In funeral look just as bossy as quote-unquote Queen Elizabeth. Jamaican funerals look like the British, man, forget about the British royal family, them are wannabes. Right now them things can't keep up. Right, the British royal family have to go keep up, step your game up. One thing Lily compared to the Ironman funeral. Bossy. All them need now are some of the royal guards for just man outside of the casket. All them need now. Some cannons. 21 gun salute. Seems like enough Jamaicans when they're alive. Seems like they're alone. Seems like they feel like there's nobody there. But as soon as them dead, they don't have space for park car. Man lie down on them bed. Covered in them own feces. And nobody not go look for them. Man a vomit on themselves. Nobody not go look for them. But when people hear say him finally drop out, the night, the setup, people like dirt. Car park for 5 miles, road block up. Yeah, I said this man must have been the most popular man in the world. But in reality, that man died lonely. Sad. Because it's not about the man, it's about the show. It's about the excitement, it's about the vibes. It's about the beer, It's about the coral goat and the fry fish. And it's set up big. Sir Bop of the Gully, rest in peace. But there's a lesson here. When people are alive, at them time they want to show them, so I want to care. I'm not to start about financial. When people are alive, them time I want to make them feel valued. If one of all of them. No matter wait till the man on a grave, go put them in a big bossy casket and all kind of thing. That's fine if, and don't get me wrong, I don't want nobody misinterpret me. I say, but I say, enough put in the family. You can do whatever you want to do in the family. I'm just saying, remember what truly matters. Don't neglect me and then put me in a bossy casket fit for a pharaoh. Rather you show me the love when me alive. When me feel the love when me alive. And then bury me in a cardboard box. Because end of the day, it don't matter to me. Don't dead already. If you didn't know it was Gully Bop, you would swear it's the Emperor Napoleon. If you didn't know Gully Bop, you would swear it's the great king of Zamunda. Look at the Bop. The Bop enough people turn them back on. This is what I'm telling you, so one time on the thing up. Remember I said we're not flesh and blood. It's a celebrity. Remember I say I'm still flesh and blood. Prone to illness and weakness. Prone to death. So I'm laugh when time on the tribability. My thing. You want nobody. Alright. Me and nobody, but you're smarty man. But guess what? Me with another body and you are smarty, guess what? Two are gonna still end up grave. So things that being quote unquote smarty are gonna stop you. Right, if I'm going to grave. And some maggot and sitting on the yam. Everybody the cycle one day them are gonna yam. All the money and the fame we have won't change that. That is why when we live on the world and we must make positive impact on others. Man a done, man run off for years, and man a be a girl and be. Right, I go see that can help you. When you realize death is knocking on the door. And how much man me see rise to the top and make all kind of speech. Sickness reach them and them dip on them knees. A big mercy from something they don't believe in. Flesh and blood. Flesh and blood. That's all we are. Sir Bop of the Gully. Not a good one. But his life is a lesson for me. Not about one, but it's a lesson for me. I never met Gully Bop, but in life teach me so much. The fall, rise and fall again. Of Gully Bop. The man who at one point was living in the gully under subhuman conditions. I'm sure he must have felt alone. When it was time for him to bury, he was buried like royalty. Robert Lee Malcolm, Sir Bop of the Gully. Oh God, there's nobody like me. Rest in peace. Agent Squad, be up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.